So I'm at Chris Bay now. Kita dekat Chris Bay, guys. I'm at Chris Bay at this area, like the home furniture thing. So I'm getting something for my mum. Tapi I tak sure nak beli apa dekat my mum, sebab my mum ni dia a bit picky dengan barang. Okay. Some barang she love, some she don't. So maybe I nak beli bantal dekat my mum for Mother's Day. Maybe bantal, I'm not too sure, or blanket for her. I'm not too sure, guys. So pretty. Murah, guys, sangat murah kat sini. Sini okay lah. Maybe I nak beli kat dia bantal, pillow, or I get the blanket for her for Mother's Day, because I'm not too sure what she likes. So I tak sure apa yang my mom suka. Maybe pillow and blanket, or like this thing. Korang tahu tak benda ni? Yang macam kita letak soap and everything, so cute, guys. So cute. Or I'm getting this for her, but she loves tools. My mom suka benda-benda macam ni, macam storage box dia suka. So let's see what I can get for her. My mom suka storage box. My mom suka benda macam ni yang dia suka. Benda yang macam storage box, benda yang kita boleh letak barang, dia suka. She love that. So I'm seeing either blanket, pillow, or tools, barang letak barang. Memang dia suka barang untuk letak barang, semua dia suka. She love it. So I will see. Oh, she love this one. Dia suka ni juga. Memang suka ni. Ni untuk tengkuk ni, bantal tengkuk-tengkuk ni suka. She love it. We'll see. Memang suka ni. Memang love this thing. Okay. She have once. Dia dah ada satu. She have one, I think so. She have like once, but I think I am getting her pillow macam ni. Pillow, I'm getting this big pillow for her because she love pillow. My mom love pillow so much. And harga dia RM19, guys. Wait, murah, guys. RM19. This a big pillow I can get for her. I literally can buy for her. Like, boleh beli terus. RM15 je, weh. Sebab baik I naik atas ni. Kalau I pergi beli bunga tadi, macam it's not like nice. Bunga okay tapi okay. My mom suka bantal. She love bantal, blanket, bantal, and shooting. I love it. I think I will get this one for her. It's big. My mom suka bantal. We will see. We will see what nice for her because she love everything. She love everything, but kita kena tengok. Kalau kata dia tiba-tiba dia tak suka, RM20 je. This bantal so pretty. I am heaven, guys. Kita dekat heaven, guys. Oh my god, guys, I am crying. I love this place. Oh my god, dia juga ada ni carpet. Look, tak tahu nak beli apa kat my mom on Mother's Day. Oh, this will be nice. Love pillow for my mom. So she loved it. She love pillow, blanket lah, benda-benda dia suka lah, benda-benda decoration ni dia suka. Like my dad know her very well. She love like decoration item. So maybe I will get her like pillow. RM10 weh, murah. Siapa nak bagi kau RM10? Kau cakap dengan aku. I just like maybe. Oh my god, dia suka ni bantal. Memang suka like bantal macam ni. She love this, like this kind of pillow for decoration. Dia suka. She love it. Kita cari lagi yang kita boleh beli untuk my mom. Kita survey lagi. Ni RM10. Ni RM10. Kita survey lagi. Kita cari lagi. Jangan terus semua beli. Kita tengok. So at this kind, I don't know why they half the price. It's so nice. Corak dia pun cantik juga. Like so nice, so pretty. Okay, our bag pula. Tengok tersasut dah nak bercakap. So I will come back later when I get something. I'm so rushing to buy because on Sunday is Mother's Day. Okay, so I want to give her mungkin bantal, mungkin blanket. Bye guys. Okay guys, saya dah pening kepala nak beli apa dekat my mom sebab I don't know what to get her because she love everything. She love everything, tolak batu kayu je, dia suka semua benda. So My mom memang jenis yang suka semua benda, tapi I tak tahu apa yang dia suka. Faham tak? My mom suka semua benda, tapi I tak tahu apa yang dia suka. Ni besar. I rasa my mom suka je bantal besar ni, like the big pillow like this. She love it. Tapi I tak boleh bawa guys. Kalau I beli sekarang, I tak boleh bawa. I seorang nak bawa bantal besar-besar ni macam mana kan? Because I scared they don't have a bag. Takut dia orang ni tak ada bag. Takut dia orang tak ada bag. Faham tak? So it's like not the situation is like takut dia orang ni tak ada bag. So I kena hold sendiri, kena like hold the things. So nice, cantik. Ni okay, ni 29, 39. The price will be different. Ni cantik juga. I suka yang tadi tu, yang bulu-bulu tu RM10 je, like so nice. I think I'm getting this one for my mom, like just RM10, so cute. Cantik lah bulu-bulu ni, tapi I love this one. I suka macam ni. Like bulat-bulat macam ni. My mom suka decoration. She love decoration. Tapi ni RM29. I will not get this. Maybe I will get one for my rooms. Maybe I akan beli juga untuk my room, untuk bilik saya sebab murah. Saya dah tahu dah saya nak beli apa bantal kat bilik saya sebelum datang sini. So cheap guys. Maybe I wait for my salary on 23rd, I guess. 23rd of May. I can come here and buy pillow for my room because I love pillow. Bilik I dekat rumah saya tak ada pillow. The pillow is not like banyak. I will get this one for my mom. Pillow like this, she love pillow. Only RM10. So cantik. I will get this one. And maybe I will get a blanket for her or just this. I don't know. Dia ada banyak colour, tapi kita ambil colour sama sebab my mom suka colour yang sama. Dia tak suka colour yang different, nanti dia bising. So guys, I think only RM10. I can get 3 of this or just 2. Memang suka bantal macam ni, lembut-lembut. Dia suka. She love it. Maybe I will get that one. Entahlah korang nak beli macam mana. So cantik. Sana pun cantik juga. Wait, I show you. Sana pun ada juga, tapi ni mahal. This one so expensive, but this one's really really nice. I love this one. Cantik. I suka ni. I suka yang ni, tapi yang ni mahal, RM49. So I will get that one. I akan ambil yang tu je lah sebab yang tu murah sikit. RM10. Ni pun RM39. Just get. I don't know what to get her. Ni pun cantik. Bantal ni RM19. Tapi RM19 pun dia terlampau besar. Cukup my mum macam tak boleh terima. Besar sangat lah RM19. Sebab I takut dia orang tak ada bag. Faham tak? Dia don't have bag for me to bawa. So I just get this. Kita ambil ni je lah. My mum suka bantal-bantal macam ni. I take this green colour because she love green somehow. Red ni macam tombol Cina pula kan. Kita ambil ni guys. Kita akan bayar. Let's go and pay. And I want to get one more item because cari satu benda lagi sebab takkan dua bantal ni je. Nak cari satu benda lagi. I nak bantal yang besar tadi tu, tapi terlampau besar. So I'll get this one. Kita ambil ni. 2. And get one more item. Kita cari item satu lagi. Okay. All secured guys. I dah dapat dah blanket and the perfume. So yeah. Dah dapat guys barang-barang kita untuk my mom punya Mother's Day esok. So I nak pergi beli barang for my father because my father asked me to buy a few stuff macam grocery thing. So let's go and buy. Kalau tak I pergi makan dulu. Then baru I beli. So guys, kita keluar pada sini guys. I think I nak pergi beli my dad punya barang because she asked me to buy mayonnaise. Suruh beli mayonnaise dengan apa entah. Tapi dia cakap tak habis. So I just get what I think I should get her. Get him. So yeah. Sekarang kita pergi makan dulu. I really want to eat guys. Kita pergi makan dulu guys. Lepas tu kita beli barang my father. Macam benda-benda nak masak. Semua orang tengok saya sebab I am recording. So semua orang tengok. Macam agak jangan tengok. Saya malu. We at Burger King. Kena tunggu order. And I go to Burley. I get some something in Burley for my mom. Chocolate tiramisu. Yeah. I got my burger, guys. I dapat Burger King. I beli Whopper GR burger ala carte. Yang tu untuk kids, tapi I beli untuk I sebab I tak makan banyak-banyak. I makan sikit-sikit je. So I got this Whopper burger. And I beli chocolate Burley tadi. Burley chocolate. The sauce lah. Bosan dulu. Lupa nak cakap guys, tak nak sauce. I forget to customize. This is what it is. Guys, kita nak pergi tengok wayang cinemas because I don't know why I want to go to wayang cinema. Level 3. I dah habis shopping tadi lama dah. Then I dah habis tengok cerita hantu. So I nak balik sekarang sebab my father calling me. I think he need my help. So I need to go back.